Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you have been applying for jobs and hearing nothing back, it might not be your skills or experience. Your resume could be an issue. Do you know the most common culprit? It's ATS or Application Tracking System. But don't worry, in today's video I will walk you through how to create a perfect resume which will not only look great but also pass the ATS. Before we jump in, let's understand what is ATS and why you should care about it. ATS are automated tools that employers use to screen the resumes. So it looks for the keywords and it filter out up to 75% of the application even before anyone looked at it. So how to fix it? In today's video, we are going to use two applications. One is ChatGPT and other is the Jobscan. Jobscan is a tool which analyzes your job description and a resume, and it will give you a score based on the keywords that matches with job description in your resume. So that's how you will know if your resume is going to pass ATS or not. So let's start with the job description. Find out the job description for the role you are aiming for. I will use an example for a Walmart cashier position, but you can use any job description that matches your targeted role. This step is important because the job description contains the keyword that ATS will be looking for. So here is a job description that I am going to use. Okay, now let's go to step 2. Prepare your draft resume. It helps to have a draft resume on hand. Make sure you include your name, contact details, and a link to your LinkedIn profile. Adding a link to your LinkedIn profile can boost your credibility and give hiring manager more context about yourself. Your resume should include profile, key skills, education, relevant work experience, additional work experience, and references. References are optional, but it's always good to have. You can see here is the draft resume I have, and in this draft resume I have included the all of this section. Now let's go to the step 3, customizing your resume using ChatGPT. You can use ChatGPT to tailor your each section of resume to better fit with the job description. To do that, enter a prompt like, I'm applying for a cashier role at Walmart. Here is the profile section. Please adjust it to better match with the job description. Let's go to ChatGPT. Open Google and search for ChatGPT. You can log in using your own account. I already have login here. So let's enter this prompt. Okay, and let's paste the profile section. Copy this and okay, and you can also attach job description and resume for the reference so that ChatGPT can give you a better response. So you can see now we have the profile section ready. You can go ahead and modify this. If you are okay with this, you can use this as is. So let's copy this and paste it to our resume. So now we have our profile section ready. Let's do a next step, which is updating key skills section. Go to ChatGPT and paste your key skills from the resume. And paste it here and ask ChatGPT to tailor it to the job description. Now you can see ChatGPT is generating the key skills section. We got 6 points here. If you want it to be more concise, you can ask ChatGPT to modify it, so it will do that for you. So let's ask to make it more concise and relevant to the job description only. You can see we have more concise version of the key skills. So I'm happy with that. You can keep modifying until you are satisfied. So let's paste it here in the resume. Okay, so now we have key skill section ready. I'm pretty much happy with the work experience sections that I have in my draft resume. You can go ahead and modify yours if you like. Since we have our resume ready, now let's put your resume to the test. Visit Jobscan where you can upload your resume and add the job description. Jobscan will score your resume based on how well it matches to the job description, particularly in terms of the keywords. You can always aim for a score of 80 or above. If your score is lower than 80, JobScan will provide you a suggestion for improvement. Okay, let's go to Google and search JobScan. Click on the first link. You are now on the JobScan website. So let's go ahead and do quick sign up. I already have account, so I will do login. You can do sign up using Google, LinkedIn or Facebook account. Once you log in, you will see this kind of a dashboard. You can see here you have two free scans available, and if you want to do more than two, you have to buy the upgraded version of the job scan. So let's use the free version and scan our resume. So if you scroll down, you can see here there are two boxes. First is where we can upload our resume, and the second is to upload our job description. Okay, let's drag and drop our resume, and you can copy and paste the job description. Press scan. Now you can see the job scan is asking you to convert our resume to a ATS friendly template. You can choose any one, whichever you like. There are a lot of templates available. I'm going to use this one. So let's select this and hit continue. Based on the resume I provided, I got the score of 53, and it is saying that I still need to improve. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at this report. So you can see for the searchability, we are good. So let's add this hard skills and soft skills in our resume. You can note down all of these skills and ask ChatGPT to include all of these keywords in your key skills section. So let's go ahead and do that. You can see now I have noted down all keywords, and I will copy all of these keywords and go back to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to add this in my key skills section. Okay, so now you can see all of this word got included here. It says loyalty, cache control. All of these keywords are now included. So let's copy this key skills section, paste it into our resume. Now I have key skills section ready. On JobScan, you can go to editor, and under the summary section, you can update your key skills section. So let's replace this. You can see all of a sudden your score has been improved to 91. So now we have our ATS friendly resume ready with the score of 91. So to complete your application, you can go ahead and prepare a cover letter using a ChatGPT and submit it with this resume, so that will boost your application. So before we go, last final thought. Make sure you review your resume word to word. This process may take some time, but this will significantly boost your chance of landing an interview. Human touch will give you more accuracy and authenticity to your job application. So do you have any question? Let's post them below. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will never miss out the tips, tricks and guidance coming on your way. Thank you so much.